TikTok is biased towards these kind of creators, whether you like it or not. Now, in my first video on this account, I spoke about how much TikTok is becoming like YouTube and the YouTube algorithm. And they're giving an unfair advantage to creators that can create longer content. Let's go into my analytics. So to show you proof that this works, I've gained 1.6 million views and over 22,000 followers in the last 7 days. Now, the analytics that I want to show you guys are short video analytics versus long video analytics, and they're not even close. Now, I went to my other account, Better Men Daily, where I knew I had some viral videos that were under 10 seconds long, and I wanted to look at their analytics. And as you guys can see, this is a 9-second video, and I got over 250,000 views. The average watch time is 7.3. So you're looking at about 80-85% watch time. 31.68% of people watched the full video. 48% of people got to 50% of the video. They got through halfway of the video. Now, I want you to look at the analytics of the long form content that did 5 times better than this. Now, this video is about 3 minutes and 15 seconds long. The average watch time is only 54 seconds. Which is actually only about 30% of the video being completed on average. 6.2% of people finished the video, which is 5 times less than that short video. So the amount of people that got to 50% of the video was only about 17% of people. And now I'm gonna go to the next video that got over 1 million views, 1.2 million views. And it reached about 1 million people. The average view time was only 19 seconds on a 60-second video. And the completion rate was only 11%, which is 3 times less than the short video. And you're looking at 147,000 people got to 50% of the way through the video. And that's only about 15% of people that got to 50% of the video. And that's only on a 1-minute video. On a smaller video, they got 20,000 views, which a lot of people would be really happy with right now. After 7 seconds, only 33% of the people remain on a 60-second video. Now, I've seen a lot of TikTok experts in 2023 still trying to give you the same advice as 2022 and before. And they try to make it sound easy and say, just make better content. Yes, you have to make better content, but they don't give you any context of how to make better content. Not playing your content to the context of the room, it's not what they want to push on their platform because that's not what they want to see. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys how to keep retention on these longer videos so that you guys get more watch time, more retention time. You can use these longer videos to your advantage on this platform to ultimately grow.